City of New Orleans, 911.
Hi, can I have an ambulance?
Tell me exactly what happened.
My cousin is having a seizure. He has seizures all the time. He's on medication right now.
Okay, is he awake?
No, ma'am, he still seizing nothing. Another one about to come on. Lay back, lay back, lay back. I'm right here. Lay back. Give me a towel. I'm right here. I'm right here. He's still seizing.
Okay, ma'am, I have EMS and the fire department coming out to help you.
0505-year-old male unconscious having a seizure.
Chilling. Something that, like, raises some concerns. It could be a febrile seizure. It could be, like, he could have a history of seizures. Because 5 is a little old to be having febrile seizures.
Yeah.
It can still happen, but...
Is it me or are the seizure calls? I feel like have been increasing lately. I feel like we've been on a lot.
I feel like we go to seizures all the time.
I know.
But, like, steadily all the
yesterday
time.
we had like 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Usually by the time we show up, they stop seizing.
Yeah.
Seizuring.
Seizuring.
Is it seizuring or is it seizing?
Pretty sure it's seizuring.
I'm gonna have to give that a Google.
A goog.
Give it a goog.
Give it a goog. Oh, he's not 5. It's not a 5-year-old, it's a 33-0.
I'm good.
Hey, baby.
I'm just tired. I'm good.
You're just tired.
Huh?
She said that you had a seizure.
I'm good.
Well, let us just check you out, okay?
Huh?
Let us just check you out.
This is what he's taking at the moment. Now, this is how he is when he comes out of the seizure.
Really? Do you remember having the seizure at all?
Huh?
Do you remember having the seizure at all? Can you tell me where you are right now? Can you tell me where you are right now?
No.
Good. Can you tell me what city we're in?
New Orleans.
Can you tell me what year it is?
2021.
There you go. Let us get y'all checked out, my man. You're still super sweaty. You're still breathing pretty hard, okay?
Our patient's awake. He's talking to us, but you can tell he's super sweaty. He's a little confused, but he's awake and talking to us, which is a good sign. Means that most likely he's not actively seizing at this point.
They usually come in twos.
Twos?
Yeah.
How long between, like, before he goes into another one?
Basically, if he stands up and goes to the ambulance with you guys, he's gonna have another one in the ambulance.
All right. Why don't we just go ahead and get you to the hospital, all
I'm
right?
straight.
Well, she said that you normally have 2 in a row.
20 or what?
Seizures.
I'm good.
So if you've already had 1 seizure,
I'm good. I promise you, I'm good. Just,
you still sweating bullets, my mans.
I'm good.
But if you have another seizure,
I'm good.
all right?
His significant other tells me that he usually has more than 1 seizure in a row. She doesn't know when the other seizure's coming, but she knows it's coming. So it's incredibly important to get this guy in a controlled setting to where he's not seizing in this house, and then we're trying to have to fight him, give him drugs to sedate him, and then try to get him out of this house to the stretcher.
I gotta lay back down. I'm good. I just wanna lay down.
I know you want to lay down, but we gotta go to the hospital.
I'm good. Trust me.
Just don't rip any of the stuff off, but definitely gotta go to the hospital. Huh?
I said I got a headache.
Well, I'm sure you have a headache. Come on, let us take you to the hospital, my
I'm
man.
coming with you. I'm dressed. I'm ready. I'm coming right with you. You're not gonna be by yourself at all. And that's the only way I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight.
All right.
All right.
Well, I want to get you to the bed outside, okay? We got to get down those steps.
All right, let's get you up out of bed.
Oh, all right.
You ready? Come on. I'll take a couple steps, okay? You can step?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, come on. Oh, what is that? That don't look good at all. That looks like straight blood. That don't look good.
Let's try to sit in this bed, okay?
Let's get you to lay back, all right?
Right now, this call just got a lot more serious. I'm like, where is this blood coming from? Why is he throwing up blood? Did he bite his tongue and he just swallowed a ton of blood? Or does he have some kind of uncontrolled bleeding inside of his stomach? If he has another seizure, is he gonna start projectile vomiting blood and then choke on it?
Are you allergic to anything?
We gotta get this guy to the hospital.
I'm ready to go. Okay. gonna give you some medicine that's gonna help that nausea, okay? Have you ever had any like GI problems? No. I had to put you on a little bit of oxygen because your oxygen was a little low, right? I think you made the right decision about letting us bring you to the hospital. I think you're a lot sicker than just having a seizure.
Be safe, be strong. Let's do this.
Get that stretcher in here.
You're gonna bleed to death.
They're not dead. I can work with that.